Good morning student. Today topic is the respiratory arrest. Respiratory arrest is also known as the respiratory failure and respiratory insufficiency. What is the respiratory arrest? I will explain. Next definition. Respiratory failure can be defined as a syndrome in which the respiratory system fails to meet one or both of its gas exchange function, oxygenation, carbon dioxide elimination. These are things: failure to inspiration and expiration, not inspirate oxygen, not exhale carbon dioxide. These are the failure of the respiratory failure affected in the taking oxygen and eliminating carbon dioxide. Next, respiratory arrest is caused by the apnea. Apnea means cessation of breathing, absence of breathing, or respiratory dysfunction severe enough it will not sustain the body. This is called agonal breathing. Prolonged apnea referred to patient who has the stop breathing long period of time. If the heart muscle contraction is intact, the condition known as the respiratory arrest. An abrupt stop pulmonary gas exchange lasting for more than 5 minutes may be damage vital organ, especially brain, heart, etc. These things speak not normal function grow up. Respiratory arrest, taking not take oxygen, not eliminate the carbon dioxide, it's called respiratory arrest. Next are types. Respiratory failure is 4 types. First type hypoxemic, second type hypercapnic, and third type perioperative, 4 types shock. Hypoxemic means less than 60 mmHg room air, and hypercapnic ventilatory मतलब affected in the ventilatory pump, and hypoxemic means oxygen and carbon dioxide not exchange. Perioperative, any surgical procedure type of surgical procedure affected in the respiratory. Then shock. Next है first type of the basic defect of is the failure of the oxygenation, characterized by the decreased oxygenation, decreased carbon dioxide, and increase the partial oxygen. Type 2 respiratory failure is the caused by the inadequate alveolar ventilation, both oxygen and carbon dioxide affected. Defined as the buildup of carbon dioxide level that has been generated by the body but cannot eliminated. Type 2 means can happen taking oxygen but not exhale the carbon dioxide in affected of respiratory failure. The underlying cause the included increase the airway resistance, so affected the respiratory system, like that chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, suffocation, reduce the breathing effort, so brain stimulation can happen. A decrease in the area of the lung available for the gas exchange. If gas exchange lungs in decrease, so called respiratory failure. Neuromuscular problems can happen, Guillain-Barré syndrome, deformed kyphosis, silicosis, rigid ankylosing spondylitis, etc. Type 3 perioperative respiratory failure, residual anesthesia effects. These are the anesthesia effect, post-operative pain, and abnormal abdominal mechanism contribute to decreasing FRC, progressive collapse of the depending upon unit. FRC means functional residual capacity. Cause of the post-operative athletics include the decreased functional residual capacity, supine, obese या ascites. Ascites means excessive amount collect in the fluid peritoneal cavity. Anesthesia, that can region of the respiratory failure. Upper abdominal incision affected the respiratory arrest. Next है type 4 shock. Describe the patient who is the intubated and ventilated in the process of resuscitation for the shock. In the poor blood circulation, so patient go to shock. In cardiogenic shock, hypovolemic shock, septic shock, in etc. The respiratory system, if may be lung affected to pulmonary failure, and if may be respiratory pump failure, so ventilatory failure is it's called the hypercapnic respiratory failure. If may be pulmonary failure, decrease the oxygenation, decrease the carbon dioxide, is a hypoxic respiratory failure. Known as the type of the acute respiratory failure, lung failures. This called definition: lungs and heart to provide the adequate oxygen to meet the metabolic need. If maybe not meet, so respiratory failure conduct. Definition of the hypercapnic: the failure of the lungs to eliminate the adequate carbon dioxide. क्राइटेरिया, इफ हाइपोक्सिक क्राइटेरिया क्या है? 60 mmHg से मोर देन एंड 50 से लेस देन. और पार्सल ऑक्सीजन नेक्स्ट है 40 mmHg से मोर देन एंड सार्कोटिक ऑक्सीजन 90 से मोर देन. बेसिक कॉज क्या है? यदि राइट लेफ्ट सेंट लगा है, वेंटिलेटरी क्वांटम मिसमैच हो गया है, एल्वियोलर हाइपोवेंटिलेशन, डिफ्यूजन डिफेक्ट, इनएडिक्वेट FiO2. अब हाइपरकैप्निक में क्या है? दिस फेलियर ऑफ द लंग्स टू एलिमिनेट द एडिक्वेट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. क्राइटेरिया क्या है? पार्सल ऑक्सीजन less than 50 mmHg and acute above normal baseline COPD with the concurrent the decreased pH in 7.30. बेसिक कॉज क्या होगा? पंप फेलियर, ड्राइव मसल्स नॉट प्रॉपर वर्क, डेड स्पेट, रेप्ट लाइट सन. नेक्स्ट है हाइपोक्सिक रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर, लो एम्बिएंट ऑक्सीजन, वेंटिलरी क्वांटम मिसमैच, एल्वियोलर हाइपोवेंटिलेशन, डिफ्यूजन प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट है etiology and causes. Acute respiratory distress syndrome included sepsis, inhalation of harmful substance, any smoking, aspirating, severe pneumonia. Severe cause of pneumonia usually affect will be the 5 the lobes of lungs, and head, chest, other major injury, any accidental injury, any falls, any crashes in driving, so called the respiratory failure. Coronavirus disease in the cause the respiratory arrest. Other pancreatitis in affected in the body, respiratory arrest. Ventilation perfusion ratio overall ratio which amount? The overall ratio 0.8 second and ranges between 0.3 second and 3.0. Upper zone में no dependent area has the higher less than 1 and low zone dependent area the lower more than 1. VP ratio ventilatory and pulmonary ratio indicate the overall respiratory function status of the lung. V/Q means no ventilator called a shunt, and V/Q in this symbol means no perfusion called on the dead space. नेक्स्ट है साइनम सिम्टम्स. साइनम सिम्टम्स रेस्टलेस हो सकता है रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर, वीकनेस हो सकता है, रेस्टलेसनेस एंड फटीग, एंजाइटी, लो ग्रेड फीवर, ब्रीदिंग डिफिकल्टी, डिस्निया, hypoxemia, severe shortness of breath, labored and unusually rapid breathing, low blood pressure, confusion and extreme tiredness. These are common symptoms and especially symptoms of severe shortness of breath and low blood pressure. Causes of hypoventilation. Causes of hypoventilation means generator and pump effect organ. 3 types. Generator if affect, so this cause drugs, hypothyroidism and metabolic alkalosis, structural lesion can happen. Idiopathic alveolar hypoventilation. If maybe chest wall neuromuscular system affected, so these things kyphosis, scoliosis, myasthenia gravis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, poliomyelitis, etc. Lungs airway affected, effector organ, chronic obstructive lung disease, left ventricular failure, severe acute respiratory distress syndrome, severe asthma is the affected. Respiratory failure is the classification in the classified. Next है diagnosis. Diagnosis take history, medical history and physical examination with the included abnormal sound in the listen to abnormal sound in the heart and lungs, listening to heart and check for the arrhythmias, abnormalities, check the lungs, check the inspiration, expiration sound, any abnormality sound and analyze and write that. Diagnostic test in the pulse oximetry test, arterial blood gas, which amount of the present in the body in patient. Chest x-ray, CT scan, echocardiogram. Chest x-ray in the which part of the lungs, how much of the lungs have the fluid, them of the whether your heart is enlarged. Computerized tomography. These are the thing x-ray image taken from the different direction, so of the different direction of the image and size and shape, so abnormality, it's called the computerized tomography. Next, treatment. The first goal of the treating acute respiratory distress syndrome is to improve the level of oxygen in your blood. First of all, the blood in oxygen improved. Without oxygen, your organ not functioning properly. Abnormal function is the organ, so can happen disease. Next, oxygenation. To get the more oxygen into your bloodstream, your doctor will likely use supplemental oxygen for the nasal oxygenation, Symptoms: as a temporary measure, oxygen may be delivered through the mask, through the nasal oxygenation, through the tightly over your nose and mouth. Mechanical ventilation through provide the oxygen. Most people with the ARDS will need the help of the machine to breathe. A mechanical ventilator pushes and provide oxygen. नेक्स्ट है अदर ब्रीथिंग ट्रीटमेंट सच एज द नॉन इन्वेंसिव पॉजिटिव प्रेशर वेंटिलेशन विच यूज द माइल्ड एयर प्रेशर टू कीप योर एयरवेज ओपन वाई you sleep. Another treatment is the special bed that rocks back and forth help you the breathe in and out. Fluids are often through an intravenous improve the blood flow and through your body. They also provide nutrition. In fluids through provide the nutrition, improve your body. And medicine discomfort. Medicine may be according to symptoms provided the medicine. Treatment for the cause of the respiratory failure. These treatment may be include the medicine and procedure. Oxygen therapy through the nasal cannula. 2 small plastic tubes go in your nostril or through the mask that fits your nose and mouth. Tracheostomy procedure that can the surgically made hole that goes through the front of your neck into the windpipe. These are a simply thing of procedure perform the doctor. A breathing tube also called the tracheostomy. Trach tube placed in the hole help you the breathe. Can take in the breathe in normally way. Next, ventilator. A breathing machine that blow air into your lungs. Normal exchange gas exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen carries, so lungs provided in the ventilator machine. Lifestyle and home remedies. If maybe cause smoking या injury, so quiet the smoking and get the vaccine apply in the patient. Follow up care. Next, avoid the fast biking. Complication: blood clotting can happen, infection, collapse of lungs, pulmonary fibrosis can happen in the respiratory failure. Nursing management provide the help, instruct the follow up care and checkup and improve your health, provide the psychological support and pulmonary rehabilitation center instruct and etc. Thank you.